Alright, got an unboxing video for you guys. Let's see what we got here. Alright, pull this joker open. Alright, some paper. I like paper better than packing peanuts. Whoa, man, still made a mess. Still made a mess. Whatever. Alright. Get you. So this is supposed to be a Skinner chuck. Bought this for $100. Wow. So here we go. You're seeing it. Ooh. Got some bolts in there. Whatever. That's kind of cool. Stainless steel Allen head. Looks like 3/8 bolts. That's kind of neat. Whatever. That's neat. Skinner. So it's a real. Ooh. Looks barely used. Let me see if this thing's gonna focus. Skinner Chuck, New Britain, Connecticut. All right. Jaws look good. Pretty decent. Clean. Very tight. I'll have to, you can tell, ooh, hold on. Skinner. If you look, maybe you can see it at an angle. The stamping is, you know, the embossing, the stamping of the lettering. When you stamp something down, it raises up the metal around it. And what I like to do is get a India stone and stone this stuff down flush. But this chuck is in really good shape. And I could tell by the pictures, the seller had some good pictures. This chuck seemed to be, a lot of times, these smaller 4-jaws, people just don't use them because they're addicted to that 3-jaw. They don't like to indicate. Do you even indicate, bro? But anyhow, some of the chucks that were sold with the Atlas and the Craftsman lathes, they're just backwards. The screws are threaded into the body, and the jaws kind of just tongue and groove around the screws. These good quality old chucks, the screw threads are in the jaws. And I got a couple of these. Did I need this thing? No, but sometimes, you know, when these things. These are old stock chucks here. It looks to be, if they're in good shape or hardly used, I just like something like this. It's a good find compared to a. I know you can get Chinese chucks. The San Ao chucks are pretty good. The Chinese chucks have come a long way in quality over the last, you know, maybe 10 years, I'll say. But some of these old chucks are just tight and square. people get the, oh, 4 jaws is accurate as you want it to be because you can self-center it. Well, you can center it, yeah, but the aim of the chuck is always something people forget about. If these jaws are not, you know, perpendicular to the face, or they're not running parallel to the axis, you know, your part you can put in there, you can indicate it, you know, for total indicated run out, but when you have the part, a long part, and you aim it, you know, you can tap it in, right? But it's just really nice to have these faces not all messed up, and the high quality chuck, these are parallel to the axis of rotation. And it means a lot to get your part, keep it from wobbling. You can have it indicated for run out, but it could wobble if these things are not made properly. Anyhow, getting a little long, but quick unboxing with this Skinner chuck that had very little use on it. So that's going to be, I'll mount that on a back plate for something here in the shop. I got enough lathes. Nice to have a small chuck. You can spin them to higher RPMs and not worry about anything, and just less in the way with your fingers and potential for whatnot and whatever. Alright, thanks for checking it out. Doozer Shop.